This video documents the process of marble tile removal, surface grinding, and mechanical concrete polishing. The process begins with flooring removal. This marble tile is bonded well. A 110-volt tile remover is used to break the bond between the thin set and the tile. Helping to control the dust is a 2-inch vacuum hose attached near the machine's chisel. Though the majority of the thin set remains, all the tile has been fully removed. To remove the thin set, a 2-head, 6-tool rotary is chosen. The machine is running a 2530 grit 2-segment diamond. The process removes all the thin set. Following the surface preparation work is the beginning of the polishing process. The tool used is a 70 grit 8-segment diamond. It's run wet. Time is taken to allow the diamond tools to fully remove all aggressive scratches created by the previous step. The slurry created during the process is fully recovered and the surface is washed using clean water. Next is concrete surface densification. This is done using a concentrated colloidal product. Here it is used at a 10-to-1 dilution. That's 10 parts water to 1 part concentrate. Mixing the solution is easily done by adding water to the concentrate. Coverage rates vary by concrete quality and absorbency. Here a broom is used to evenly and easily distribute the material. The main aim is to apply enough densifier to keep the surface saturated for at least 15 minutes. The next polishing step follows. Here a 100 grit copper bonded diamond pad is used with water. This step will remove the 70 grit scratch and replace it with a uniform pattern of 100 grit. This surface processing makes the concrete more smooth. From a mechanical standpoint, the concrete's physical characteristic becomes one of honed stone. Another coat of densifier follows the 100 grit. Because the surface is more dense, product yield will be greater than the first coat. Following this is a 200-400 grit copper bonded polishing pad. This process is also done wet. Once completed, all slurry is collected and the surface is left to dry. The next polishing step is an 800 grit resin. The tool is used dry with dust collection. Surface refinement is apparent as the floor becomes reflective. It also slightly darkens as the result of the refinement. Next is an 1800 grit resin. This step is also done dry. Surface reflectivity improves, while the lights and objects reflected increase in clarity. Finishing this process, a 3000 grit resin is used. Also done dry, the clarity of reflection improves, resin swirls are removed, and the floor darkens noticeably. After removing the surface dust, the floor is ready for its use. And that's about it. The process of marble tile removal, surface grinding, and mechanical concrete polishing.